Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2015 Harley-Davidson Electra-Glide Ultra Limited Low. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2015 Harley-Davidson Electra-Glide Ultra Limited Low, with 67,256 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, cruise control, and navigation. It's been upgraded with Cobra mufflers, 12-inch handlebars, grips, a tall windshield, saddlebag guards, and axle caps. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Electra-Glide puts 101 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Electra-Glide has a 250-mile range. It has a 27-inch seat height and an 896-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds and the rear at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a crack on the front fender, dents in the rear fender, a blemish on the saddlebag, and a scratch on the upper fairing. This bike has one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.